he's like, oh, okay. I get what you're running from.
Oh, look at the one on the back. You see that one on his back?
Oh, look at that guy.
He's looking. He's looking. He's looking for.
Oh, wow.
All of his family.
You can see half of his tail is also off.
Yeah. Standing, I got that one.
Up on the hill?
You're missing somebody.
Yeah.
Are these baboons?
There you
Yeah,
go.
yeah, yeah.
He's like, there's.
What? No way!
No
wonder he could tell he was missing somebody.
Not a wonderful planting.
Yo.
That's why you went back.
I was waiting. He had
Yeah.
I thought it was going to be like 1 or 2 missing.
6 of his kids still missing.
What?
He's like, let's go,
And there was
boys.
that guy that wanted
Oh, they're fighting.
No, he's mad at him.
They're getting spanked.
When I tell you to come, I mean, come on.
They're getting spanked.
now, get back out here.
Let's go closer.
That's cute.
That's
Funny,
crazy.
they'll just keep running from us because we're a threat to them.
How many do you think there are?